एका वेळार रोहन, विजय आणि मायकल लोबो इश्ट ही गजाल कोणाकडच्यान लिपिल्ली ना. मात राजकारण ते कोण कोणाचो आसना ही गजाल स्पष्टपणान ह्या फिल्डान दिसता. पक्ष बदलप, इश्ट बदलप सगळे आयले. मायकल आणि विजयाचे हालींच पेटला सोन सोडो निमीत. जाल्यार आतां रोहन आनी मायकलाचे वाजला. कारण सुकूर पंचायतीचे राजकारण. मायकल खंय सुकुरात मेतेर जाता. ताणे पंचायतीन जितले डाग आशिल्ले पंच आसात ते व्हरचे म्हूण रोहनान तोमणो मारलो.
आणि गार्बेज मिनिस्टर नवो आयला. ही इज ऑल्सो क्लिनिंग गार्बेज. So I think if he is also shown interest in cleaning the garbage of the panchayat by taking some members who are tainted enough, I'm happy that he is cleaning, helping us achieve the theme of Swachh Bharat, नितळ गोय and clean Porvorim. कित्याक स्वच्छता हेच करून जायना. We need to also include that the swachhata comes in the people who are having allegations and tainted things. If that is being taken by the garbage minister by taking a proactive initiative, I think it's a good initiative is taken to help us clean Porvorim.
परिकराचो विचार सोडून आमकां मंत्री पदावेल्यान काडपाक पड्ड्या फाटल्यान सुत्रां हलयतल्यांक खंय काळूच बुद्ध शिकयतलो म्हूण रोहनान वक्तव्य केलां.
Who are those who backstab? Is it the BJP party that backstabbed you, or the politicians, or your friends?
See, whoever has played the games is not it was behind the curtain, but when the curtain opened up, whoever it might say today how ashillo have been a part of the game. So it's karma comes back to you as maka phale tuka. So it's life goes that way. So for me as Rohan County, I work towards the people.
रोहन सद्याक तिसवाडी आणि बार्देस तालुक्यात तयारेक लागला. जाल्यार मायकलूय नेट धरून फुडें सरला. ताका लागून राजकी जुगलबंदी सुरू जाल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.